Looking at the answers, maybe it's starting with C, but take a look at this table, this diagram here. We got a schedule. It looks like we've got events session 1, then break. Maybe it's like a school schedule. There's a lunch in there and there's a break. Beginning time and end time. And they gave us that the end time here was 4:30 p.m., okay, of session 4. In the schedule above, each session is to be 1.5 hours long. Oh, okay, cool. So I know right away that this beginning time was 3 p.m. Okay? And it says each break is to be a 1/4 hour long. Okay, well, the thing is, the ending time of the break should be 3 p.m., just like the beginning time of session 4. And because it was a 1/4 hour long, a 1/4 of an hour is 15 minutes. So I know the break started at 2:45 p.m. And what's nice about this is it just kind of perpetuates itself throughout the entire table. Remember, the session time is 1.5 hours long. So we're dealing with 1:15 p.m. And we're just going to keep going here, 1:15 p.m. Now, we don't know what lunch is. So the next phrase says, and lunch is to be 1 hour long. Okay, so that means the beginning time was 12:15 p.m., which is the ending time of session 2. And then the session, again, is an hour and a half long. So we would be looking at 10:45 a.m. Okay. And then we got 10:45 a.m. And notice there's a question mark up here. They probably want us to get to that, so might as well do it. A 1/4 hour long for the break. So this is 10:30 a.m. and then 10:30 a.m. and then a session an hour and a half long. So this is 9 a.m. Okay. Next phrase. If session 4 is to end at 4:30 p.m., okay, like they have us here, at what time should session 1 begin? Well, we've already got it. It's 9 a.m. Now, starting with C could have worked. It would have required the same type of table, but instead of going up or from the bottom to the top, you go from the top to the bottom. But chunking always wins. The answer here is D.